TipTut.
Hello everybody and welcome back to TipTut and the Big 100 project. This is just a quick video to say that the first 50 blocks are taken. They're spoken for now. So if you haven't signed up already, you need to get a wiggle on. If you don't know what that is, you don't know what the 100 project is, check out these videos that are floating towards my right now. It's basically a project where 100 contributors come together and create an awesome piece of artwork. For all the details, watch the top video. For those that have signed up, you should have received an email with your block assigned to you. If you haven't, make sure to check your junk folder. For those that are signed up, you'll be in the first 50, so well done for being fast. And in a couple of days, hopefully maybe in a few weeks, I'll be releasing a little highlight reel of some of the first ones to come in to help get people that might be struggling a little bit of inspiration, but also to showcase some of the people that were really on it and got me the stuff straight away as an appreciation and a way of saying thank you. So that's it really, just a quick update to say first 50 blocks are taken. If you have got a block, you should have an email. If not, check your junk folder. If you don't have a block, if you haven't signed up, do it now because they're running out fast. Thanks very much everybody. I really appreciate your time and contribution to this project, and I'll see you all next time on TipTut and next time on the Big 100 project. Click one. Top one. That video, click it. Click.
Remember to subscribe for more tips, tricks, and tutorials. Thanks for watching.